Hello, and welcome to USA Immigration and Visa. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we delve into a significant development in U.S. immigration policy that's bound to impact countless lives. In this video, we'll be discussing the recently unveiled National Security Agreement, a bipartisan effort supported by the White House aimed at providing much-needed relief to H-1B visa holders and their families. From automatic work authorization to expanded opportunities, this agreement carries profound implications for immigrant communities, particularly for Indian tech workers. So, join me as we explore the key provisions, implications, and the broader context of this groundbreaking agreement. Let's start the video. In a landmark move hailed by both sides of the political spectrum, a bipartisan agreement, backed by the White House, has been unveiled, providing substantial relief for H-1B visa holders and their families. This agreement, named the National Security Agreement, represents a significant stride towards addressing long-standing concerns and challenges faced by thousands of individuals navigating the complex landscape of U.S. immigration. Overview of the agreement. The National Security Agreement, revealed recently, introduces a range of measures aimed at providing relief and support to various segments of the H-1B visa holder community. Notably, it grants automatic work authorization to an estimated 100,000 H-4 visa holders, comprising spouses and children of a specific category of H-1B visa holders. Furthermore, it offers solutions to the predicament faced by approximately 250,000 aged-out children of H-1B visa holders. Impact on Indian tech workers. This development holds particular significance for Indian tech workers who have long grappled with extended waits for green cards. The inability of their spouses to work without a green card and the looming risk of deportation faced by their children during the immigration process have posed formidable challenges. However, with the introduction of the National Security Agreement, these hurdles are set to be mitigated, offering a glimmer of hope to thousands within the Indian tech community. President Biden's vision. President Joe Biden has underscored the imperative need for reform within the immigration system, emphasizing core tenets such as national security, border security, fair and humane treatment, and the preservation of legal immigration. The unveiling of this bipartisan agreement aligns with his vision for a more inclusive and equitable immigration framework. Key provisions of the agreement. The agreement introduces several key provisions aimed at addressing the multifaceted challenges faced by H-1B visa holders and their families. Notably, it provides protection to aging-out children of long-term H-1B visa holders, subject to certain conditions. Additionally, it allocates additional employment-based green cards over the next 5 years, with a specific focus on reducing country caps, thereby facilitating smoother immigration processes. Expanding work authorization. Crucially, the agreement extends work authorization to various categories of visa holders, including K-1, K-2, and K-3 non-immigrant visa holders, as well as H-4 spouses and children of specific H-1B non-immigrant visa holders who have finalized immigrant petitions. This move effectively eliminates the need for these individuals to await approval before commencing work in the United States, providing much-needed relief and stability to affected families. Support for vulnerable populations. Moreover, the agreement extends support to vulnerable populations, such as asylum seekers, by providing expedited work authorization upon receiving positive protection screening determinations. This initiative aims to enable asylum seekers to support themselves and their families sooner, thereby fostering greater stability and integration within communities. Expansion of immigrant visas. In a bid to promote family reunification and address labor market demands, the agreement raises the cap on immigrant visas, adding an additional 250,000 visas over the next 5 years. This expansion is poised to benefit both immigrant families seeking reunification and U.S. businesses seeking access to a more diverse pool of skilled workers. Support for U.S. allies and partners. Additionally, the agreement allocates resources to assist U.S. allies and partners in the Indo-Pacific region in addressing challenges posed by an assertive China. Furthermore, It earmarks substantial funding for continued U.S. support to Ukraine in its ongoing struggle against Russian aggression. Call to action. The White House has urged prompt approval of the bill by the U.S. Congress, highlighting the urgent need to enact these critical reforms to the immigration system. The bipartisan nature of the agreement underscores the collective recognition of the need for comprehensive immigration reform and the importance of addressing the pressing challenges faced by immigrant communities. In conclusion, the unveiling of the National Security Agreement represents a significant milestone in the ongoing efforts to reform the U.S. immigration system. By providing relief and support to H-1B visa holders and their families, the agreement embodies the values of inclusivity, fairness, and compassion. As the nation moves forward, it is imperative that stakeholders remain committed to upholding these principles and working towards a more equitable and sustainable immigration framework for all. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this important update on the National Security Agreement and its profound impact on H-1B visa holders and their families. Your support means the world to me. If you found this video informative and valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Together, let's stay informed and engaged in shaping a brighter future for immigrant communities. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.